Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making instant cassava leaf. So the first thing I did, I had boiled beef, so I'll just go on and fry it. Normally you're supposed to boil the leaves for like a long time, like 4 hours before they boil, but since this is instant, I'll just use the beef that is already done. In the normal case, you're supposed to boil the leaves and then add beef later. So after the beef changes the color, just go on and add one big chopped onion. You can as well use spring onions. It all works the same way. Then give it a good mix and let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 chopped tomatoes, give it a good mix and let it cook for like 1 minute. Add salt to taste. Now if you have peanut powder, you can just go on and roast it before you add it to the mixture, or if you don't, you can just have the roasted peanuts and grind them. That's what I did. So I had the roasted peanuts that we made in the other video. If you want to see that, I will just put the link in the description so you can go on and watch how we made them. So I'll grind them and get the powder and use the powder. I will now add the roasted peanuts powder into the mixture. I'll add also green chilies. You can also add red chilies and any other ingredients that you like. There is actually some ingredients that are made for the cassava leaf, but I didn't have them, so I used what I have. But if you have them, it will be even better. After giving it a good mixture, I'll just go on and add 1 cup of water so that it can just boil and cook very well. This is the packet that I'm going to be using. It's 200 grams. So you just go on and add the whole packet into the mixture. It actually turned out to be a lot. I should have used half. So I just went on and added the whole packet and add water and then give it a good mix and leave it to boil. It should take like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you are good to go. You can just serve. You can serve it with rice. You can serve it with plantains. You can actually eat it with anything. Just give it a try and let me know, guys. Let me know what you think. I know it's not easy to get this actually, because for me to get this, I have to call people from my country. Please bring for me. It takes months, but it finally gets to me. So this is how it looks like. Now it's ready. You can just go and eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.